Assalamu alaikum. Again, thank you to all viewers that show they watch my videos and my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. So today I will tell you how to convert molasses into mash preparations. So first of all, I already tell you the bricks of molasses from different industries, different. They are comes 85 to 91, 92, 89 in different structures. So how to convert the molasses into mash? So I will tell you. We store a molasses in storage tank. After there, we will start convert the molasses into mash. We added water in the molasses and convert into mash up to 30 to 32 bricks in the mash preparation. How much quantity we use the water, and then slowly we reduce the bricks of molasses from 85 to 90 to up to 30 to 33, 32 as per instruction that how much we are used for the decanter. These are the mash preparation. Now I'll tell you the how we inoculate and the first step of the fermentation pre-fermenter, how pre-fermenter are inoculated and what nutrients and what dosings are in the pre-fermenters. So I will tell you in this video, inshallah. So first of all, what pre-fermenter? This is the basic of the fermentation in which we create the germs or microorganisms, unicellular organisms, or you say that also. So microorganism, unicellular, somehow fungi, bacteria, algae, there are different unicellular organisms, or we use fungi and bacteria. So how much quantity we use, it depends upon the decanter level, what decanter factor we did, how much biomass you are required for the fermentation process. So different countries also use a different biomass structure. Some of them 80 cubic meter, some of 85, some of 90 cubic meter. So we will inoculate it first of all the nutrients which are used in the pre-fermenters are urea, phosphoric acid, and fermentate, electrol, and also for the germinations of unicellular organisms, or you can say that bacteria or fungi, we use safe instant yeast. It use different quantities. If we see the how and the bricks of the pre-fermenter started 12 to 14 in between, one sometime 12, sometime 14, sometime 10. Let as per instruction how much we require, and we start the level slowly, and we get inoculations. If we see the level of the pre-fermenter 300, 400 or 500, then circulated it. First of all we put it urea, then phosphoric acid, then electrol, and ferment it after then yeast, because urea is a nutrient, is a dosing it for eating. Phosphoric acid are divided the pair of the unicellular organisms in a single unit, and yeast also germ or increase or create the unicellular organisms. Electrol and fermentation is also, we can say that as an antibiotic from for the pre-fermenter. After we will give a dosing step by step, and we give in analysis that the how Brix is come. When the Brix comes down 5 to 6, we transfer into fermenters, and we see how much quantity of the cell in the pre-fermenter, and how its growth and how its health, because it's also living organisms. Microorganisms, unicellular, are also living organisms. They also need air. We also use air in the pre-fermenter. So they use, some of them they work. They, we can say these are, in human being they have three categories like old, young, child. Some are old or work or not. There are same condition are in the pre-fermenters. There are 450 sale, 500 sale, even 800 sales, but some of old, some of lower, some of hard worker, some of workless. These type are also condition available in the pre-fermenters. So if they convert it into molasses into fermented, then we also transfer the fermenter into pre-fermenter, and in the fermenter we use different, I already tell you the type of biomass, cubic, 80 cubic, 90 cubic, 95 cubic as per the condition. So we will transfer it into fermenter, and then we give the feed to the fermenter. It's about 28 to 30 degree feed Brix. True, and after that the feed come into the fermenter, and the microorganisms are available in the fermenter. They are eat the feed and decompose into molasses, into sugar, fructose, fructose, into a alcohol, and remaining is remain mostly different type of, I already tell you the fermenter height, width. They are those 80 meter, 100 meter, 100,000 cubic meter, 260 cubic meter, 360 cubic meter, 360, 100. So different molasses are different in our field use. Is first of all, fermentation is biological process which we create, we distillate the alcohol from the molasses through yeast as a catalyst, and slowly ferment. We give the time to the pre-fermenter is 15 to 16 hours from feed start to the end to the mature time of the pre-fermenter. After that he comes into the fermenter. It's increase, also increases volume, its height. So we, the fermentation process at least 32 to 35 hours process, and we use Brix 28 to 30, and the temperature is the key point. The temperature of the fermenter is 32 to 34 is enough. In pre-fermenter also we use 31, 34, 32, 33. If they increase the temperature, it's also cause for the for the microorganism. They cannot survive well and cannot work properly as their structure. And after pre-fermenter, it's fermenter, then the time 35 32 hours, then it converted into total sugar into fermentable sugar, and 9 to 10% we will require alcohol. It's the best figure. 9 to 10% alcohol recovery is the best from the fermenter, and it's last time the ending bricks in the fermenter. If we stop the feed, the bricks it's also 12, 11, 5, 12, 0.